Hello all office executives. In this particular video I will be comparing Excel with Python. So the topic would be over sentence cases. So if we write in here upper, so what the upper function does in Excel is that it takes the cell value and convert it to uppercase letter, uppercase sentence letter. And what lower does is that it takes the cell value as an input equal to lower the cell value as an input and convert it to small hand letter. And in a similar way, if we consider proper, so the beauty of the proper function is not that after each of the first word in a sentence would be starting in a capital letter. Not it, the proper doesn't work in that way. Proper takes in treats each of the word in a sentence and convert it to upper letter. So here is a example of how proper works. Now this same feature, upper, lower and proper, this same feature is present in Python. So I have already made a folder in by the name of sentence case in my desktop. So I have already practiced it. So let me delete that particular file which I had practiced and just build all the way from scratch. So let me open this particular folder inside Visual Studio Code CMD to for the DOS and code dot for the folder to be opened inside Visual Studio Code, and then we will be just making a simple file. The name of the file will be sentence case dot py, since this is a Python file. So what we will be doing is that I need to ask the user, so the prompt prompt prompt, the prompt would be input, please enter your text. So now the answer will be print your input in small hand letter is /n and we will be having prompt prompt dot lower. So since lower is a function, bracket open bracket close, now we will be duplicating this particular line, Control C, Control V, Control V. So after small upper hand letter, so the function would be prompt dot upper, and for and upper hand letter sentence case dot capitalize. So let me run the program. Let's see how the console looks like when you just execute this particular script. So it's Python, and the name of the file is sentence case.py. Ram is a good boy. Your small hand letter. So capitalize doesn't work like a proper as in Excel. So what capitalize does is that it treats the text and begins the sentence with an upper hand letter. So if I rerun our program and give another string like Ram in small hand letter, Ram is a good boy, he reads in class 4, maths is his favorite subject, maths is his favorite subject. So Ram is a good boy, he reads. No, capitalize doesn't, so the function capitalize doesn't work in that way which I have just mentioned a few minutes earlier, that it takes the sentence case, it doesn't work such as in that accordance. So it takes the it treats the input and just capitalize the first word of the string in upper hand letter. So what are all the, if you want to associate what are all the functions associated with the string in Python, you can use the dir function. So print dir, and we will be using str is for string. What are the inbuilt function present with associated with string? So that's for dir function. So let me comment out earlier instances. So let me clear out the console and rerun the program. Something. So I have used already upper, and there is a title. So what title is that I am getting a function in here is the title. So let's see what title does. So what I will be doing is that I will be again commenting out the print section and Ctrl Z print, and your sentence case is I will be uncommenting this line, and I will be prompt or not capitalized but title. Let me save the file, clear out the console and rerun the program. Ram is a good boy. He goes to school every day. He reads in class 4. So as you can assume from the result which is being shown by in the console, that upper and lower, the name of the function is same as in Excel as in Python, but for the proper is known by the name of title in Python. So I know this video is nothing sort of an intuitive one, and it's not something interesting, but as a beginner I just gave a small introduction on working with string. That's all for this video tutorial. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.